Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road. Today we're going to be looking at the brand new Baja Designs lighting package for the 2019 and up Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks. Now with these new front ends, every year as they update these trucks, it gets harder and harder to do aftermarket lighting. There's less grill openings, more of the grill and fog light packages are covered by plastic shrouds and things like that. But Baja Designs has built a couple really solid options for us. We're really stoked to be showing you guys, and we're really happy that we were able to help them out and let them prototype on our shop truck. Now first we're going to talk about the 20-inch light bar that goes in between the tow hooks in your front bumper. On a lot of these trucks with the front collision sensors and the parking sensors, you're going to have a black plastic grille. Behind that, you're able to fit a 20-inch light bar. Baja Designs uses either their S8 bar, which is more of their budget-friendly bar, or the 20-inch Onyx S bar. That is an extremely bright light bar. And again, these Baja Designs lights, we've talked about them before. There's a lot of comparison videos on YouTube already, so we figured we wouldn't make one of those. But these lights are a ton brighter than your typical Amazon light bar, things like that. They're actually made down in San Marcos, California, so it's a USA product. You're supporting a USA small business when you buy these. And again, they are super bright. Next, they're gonna have the A-pillar brackets or the ditch brackets. That is a bracket that mounts right where your hood and fender meet up against the cab. And you're able to fit actually a variety of lights on that bracket. For our truck, we chose the Baja Designs XL80 lights. Each one of those lights puts out almost 10,000 lumens, so it's actually insanely bright. Those two lights would actually, just those two lights could get you anywhere you want to go in the middle of pitch black night, and you'll be good to go. They also did the reverse lights in the back. That is two S2 lights. Again, for being such a small light, they are actually the brightest light in their category, pretty much unmatched with their brightness. And lastly, they have the fog pocket lights. Now, our shop truck is a Laramie, so we have the thin factory LED factory light, and so they've built a bezel that mounts a single S2 light, or if you have the Bighorn trucks, they have a different bezel that you actually use, or a different kit that'll use a bigger squadron round light in the opening. So there are two options that are available for these trucks. Now the package that we're showing you on the front of our shop truck with the S2s, the 20-inch bar, and the XL80s, this setup actually puts out 50,000 lumens, so it's pretty much unparalleled with its brightness. Again, this is true lumens, not lumens that you'll get with a bar off of Amazon, things like that. So again, this is an excellent option for guys with the new 2019 trucks, especially the fully loaded trucks, trying to add a little bit more light without hacking up their nice factory fascias and things like that. These lights, again, they are a complete bolt-on setup. There's no cutting of your factory plastics, no drilling holes, anything like that. It's a super simple, super clean, and super bright setup for, again, these Ram 2500, 3500 trucks, 2019 and newer. So yeah, if you'd like to purchase it, click these links above me or comment down below, and we'll be happy to provide you with a link. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and thanks for watching.